My goodness, today we have something so futuristic. I saw images of this thing on the internet and I was like, we gotta get it. That's too crazy. The product is called BioVisor, the company Visor, visortech.com, your personal air purifying shield. This thing you wear and you look like you're ready for any environment, including Mars. You definitely are not ready for Mars, but you're closer than people who are not wearing a BioVisor. I mean, can you imagine wearing this contraption? Experience the evolution of personal protection. Where did I see this? In a video game. Increasingly, the more I live this life, the science fiction becomes reality. I mean, look at this place. What a way to start our relationship. Whoa. Okay. Venture out and breathe easy. I'm gonna get in there. I am gonna get in here. That's a little pocket right there. And inside of this pocket is the controller. Check it out. There are sections for these kind of inside gloves, so you can bring your hands into the visor. I guess if you need to itch your face. So this is like a soft touch. It's a little bit rubbery. This is one of the filters, I guess, on the top. It's a clip, a little pass-through vent there. This is the bigger filter back here, and you can see the fan on the inside of there as well. Air in. Oh, wow. Check that out. So on the intake, you see how it routes the air up to the top. All the cables come out to the front for power. So now we have the fan controller powered as well. This is about to be quite the experience. Does that look right? Oh man, okay, so I hope you guys can hear me. It has these little hand sections over here, these little gloves that you can actually sort of put on like this and itch your face or remove an AirPod, or it makes you a little bit less claustrophobic somehow. If you don't want to use them, you just simply zip that section up. It does feel a little bit humid. We're going up to a level 1 right now. Now let's try level 2. And I'm gonna go all the way up to a level 3. Now this is obviously a very extreme version of protection that is not gonna be for everyone. But maybe it's some kind of a glimpse into the future way in which humans protect themselves. It could be, I don't know. We've all seen the science fiction. Obviously, for most of you watching this, this thing seems absolutely insane.
Oh, there's like a smell coming out of it. Do you smell it?
Hey, man!
I mean, it's like a...
That's my filters, man!
My nose, it's
How do you feel in there, Will? This the future?
For the time being, this is obviously a fringe product. Maybe targeted at individuals who need extra protection. Maybe targeted at individuals who have some level of immunodeficiency. But probably popular amongst science fiction fans and people who are desperate to take part in the future today.